Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and today I'm looking at Khan Academy's assignment, Add and Subtract Polynomials, Find the Error. So we have a student, Nikita, trying to subtract two polynomials, and her work is shown below. And we're going to see if she made an error or if she did it correctly. And this assignment is really a good one to learn adding and subtracting polynomials because you really learn something when you're able to spot the errors that other people made. That's one of the reasons why math teachers become so good in their content areas, especially experienced math teachers, because they've had years of experience doing this. So, all right, so let's take a look at what we start out with. So we have 3w to the fourth power minus 8w squared zw squared plus 4z to the fourth minus 5w to the fourth plus 7w squared z squared minus 8z to the fourth. Okay? So in step one, since we're subtracting this entire second polynomial, Nikita distributes the negative. So we have negative 5w to the fourth, negative 7w squared z squared, and we change this minus here to a plus, so plus 8z to the fourth. So step one is correct because we kept this the same, and then we change the sign of the terms in the second polynomial. Okay, so step two, all of a sudden we get, well, I have a 3 minus 8, so I really should have 3 minus 5 w to the fourth, but we have a w to the 6 z squared. We should not be getting a w to the 6 z squared. What I think they did was combine, they combined this together. And that you cannot do. So step two is incorrect. So we're going to check our work. And we got energy points. Today's a good day. Let's check the next one. Okay. Next problem, Muhammad tried to subtract two polynomials. His work is shown below. So we have 9y squared minus 4y minus 6. And we're taking away from that negative 3y squared plus 6y plus 2. Okay, so step one, we're going to change the signs of the second polynomial, the polynomial that's being subtracted from the first. So we change it to plus 3y squared plus, so we should have changed the signs of plus 6y squared and plus 2. So step one is incorrect in this case. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. All right, Claire is trying to subtract two polynomials. Her work is shown below. So she has the polynomial 2x squared plus 2xy plus 5y squared minus 3x squared plus 4xy plus 6y squared. So we're subtracting this polynomial here, and let me just let's underline it. So we're subtracting this polynomial, so we should change the sign of every term in the underlined polynomial. So it should be minus 3x squared minus 4xy minus 6y squared. So that looks good. This part looks good. We want to keep this the same for right now. So 2x squared plus 2xy plus 5y squared. That looks good as well. All right, let's move to the next step. So now we're doing 2 plus 2x squared y. Okay, we should be doing 2 minus 3x squared. Okay, so this here is an error. So we don't want to be doing that. What we should have done instead, I'll draw it out. We should have done 2 minus 3 x squared. Start. That's how we should have started that. So that definitely is an error. So I'm going to stop there. We're going to choose step two, in which Claire makes the error, and then can go on. All right, last question. So we have Annie. She's trying to subtract two polynomials. Her work is shown below. She's subtracting k squared plus 2k minus 13. From that, she's subtracting negative 3k squared plus 9k plus 1. So in step one, she's going to need to change the signs of this polynomial. So we got plus 3k squared, that's good. But we should change the sign of plus 9k and plus 1. So she has made an error at this point. These are incorrect. Okay, so step 1, she made a mistake. Okay, it should be noted that in this assignment, I've gone through this a couple times, and I found ones where they do make no mistakes. So be careful if you get a problem like that. You don't necessarily have an error from the students. But as you can see, you're going to be going through these problems, looking through and finding what step they made the error and then choosing that. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.